Hey guys, what is up? Coming to you from the floor of my crazy messy room. As you guys know, if you follow me on other social medias or whatever, I've just been traveling like a ton this past month, or these past couple months honestly. So my life is basically just packing and unpacking and traveling around right now, which is so fun. But I haven't actually had a chance to unbox any of the birthday gifts that you guys sent me, and I'm so grateful that you guys sent them, and I'm so excited to unbox them, and I really wanted to give them the time and the attention that they deserved, so I didn't want to just like unbox them quickly. And since I never actually got around to doing a birthday stream, I wasn't able to unbox them then. And now I'm about to fly out for another trip, so I figured now is the perfect time to unbox them and make this video, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So it's gonna be like a really casual video, like obviously I'm like sitting on my floor, it's just gonna be like really chill, and we're just gonna unbox these, and I'm really excited, and I keep saying and yeah, okay. Whoops. Okay, I'm just gonna get started. So first off, I'm just gonna show off this one. This one was given to me by some friends at a birthday party, so I've already opened it. I just wanted to show you guys because it was so sweet of them and it was so nice. They literally got me so much Pokemon stuff. Like, look at all this Pokemon stuff. You guys know I love Pokemon so much, and I've got cards in here and a playmat and just so much fun things. I'm literally so grateful for them. It was so sweet of them to bring this to me, and I just wanted to show it off because like it's just so cute. Okay. Starting from the top is a flat one. I'm really worried that if I show it, I'm gonna dox the person who sent it. So it's just because the address is written on both sides. This one is from Rasser. Okay, so here we go. We've got some of these. I think these are bookmarks. There's an avocado and some sloths. It's a really sweet letter. I'm not gonna read it out loud. It's really long, and then enclosed are several Pokemon cards. Thank you so much, Rasser. That's so sweet of you. And thank you so much for the sweet note. Alright, next up, this one is an Amazon one. So I know Rasser is like okay with me saying his name, but I don't know if other people are, so I might not say who they're from. And then if you want to comment like, oh, that one was from me, you're welcome to. I know who they're from, and I know if you're lying. But because people do that sometimes, people will be like, oh, it was me who sent you that. I'm like, I know you didn't. Like, I know who it was. I'm just not gonna say who it was. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so fun. I wanted this so bad. This is the Wednesday dress from the dance scene. That's what I think it is. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I always said I wanted this dress. I think it was on my wish list. That's amazing. I have to figure out what con I'm gonna wear this to. Thank you so much to the person who sent me that. I'm definitely gonna wear it to a con and take some really cute pictures in it, so that's gonna be so much fun. Alright, here's another one from Rasser. Oh, cute! It's an Avatar cup. I might bring this on my trip with me, actually. Because I always bring like a cup with me, because I don't like drinking. I like drinking things with like straws and like from a cup. I don't like drinking things like from like a bottle or a can. So I always bring like one with me, and then I pour like the bottles or the cans into here. So my last cup broke, so this might be really perfect timing because I think I'll be able to bring this one with me and then have it on my trip. So perfect timing. Thank you so much. One thing I didn't bring with me over here is a trash bag. So that might have been a mistake. But that is a problem for future me to worry about. Okay, another one that I'm not gonna say. You know who you are. Oh, this is for a cosplay. It looks like another Kim Possible shirt, but it's actually because I need to print some stuff from my Cricut to put on it. But this is for another cosplay. Can you guess who it is? If you can guess who it is, bonus points. Oh, there's a plushie in here. I'm really glad I didn't just cut into that. I gotta be more careful opening these so I don't cut whatever's inside. It's a Snorlax. This is one of the only Squishmallows that I've been missing so far of the Pokemon Squishmallows. I'm only missing a few of them, and Snorlax is one of them. So this not completes, but very close to completes my set of Squishmallows. There's no note in the box, so if you sent me this, thank you so much. I don't know who it is, but I really appreciate it, so thank you. Okay, this is another one from Rasser. He went ahead and like wrapped it. Oh, that's so cute. I'm just gonna I'm not one of those people who unwraps things neatly, apparently. Okay, there's even more wrapped presents in here. This is gonna take a minute. Oh god, I don't have any space. I need to clear some room. Okay, so I'm just gonna like keep it up here, I think, and reach in. Okay, this is the card. Thank you so much. Okay, there's so much in here. Master, I love that you wrote little cards on each gift too. That's so sweet. Just me tearing into all the wrapping paper with all my overly caffeinated energy. Oh, it's a Stitch cookie cutter. I can already tell from the... Cute! I can't wait to do baking streams again. I haven't done any in so long, but I really miss it. I can't wait to go back to it. So, we'll make some Stitch cookies. My oven's actually broken right now, so I can't do any baking whatsoever until we get that fixed. Ooh! What is this? Oh! This is cute! It's like a little, like Stitch, like, not like Lego, but what is it? Small particle building blocks, but you can build a little Stitch. Should I build this on stream? That'd be really fun, right? To do like, because we used to do Lego streams, so we could do like a little Stitch stream. More cookie cutters? It's a Magikarp! No way! We're gonna have Magikarp cookies as soon as I get my oven fixed. I'm also going a little bit fast because I still have to edit this tonight and finish packing and finish cleaning my apartment and go to a New Year's party. And it's already 4. Oh, there's more in here. Fizzy fish jellies. I've never heard of these, so I'm guessing they're British. And more jellies. I don't know what shape these ones are in. But yeah, I think these are like a British brand. Yep, lovingly packed in the UK. Alright. It's a bonsai tree! Cute! Oh, and it's the one, it's got the cherry blossom frogs! So like, the little Lego pieces that they use to make like the pink frogs, or to make the pink cherry blossoms, like are like the little frogs, which I think is hilarious. Oh, that's so fun! We should definitely build this one on stream too. Okay, we have one more box, which is this gigantic one here. Funny story about this. I parked really far when I went to the post office, and then they're like, oh, here, you got package, and it's this giant box. This is gigantic. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm like sitting on the ground, but it's like a really big box, so very excited to see what's inside here. And it is, what is this? Oh my gosh! Who sent this? Raster sent it. Of course Raster sent it. You guys, I have to show this. This is amazing. I just knocked over my ring light. I don't even care. This is a giant Oppa. Stop. Wait, is it a blanket or something? Like what? I think it is. It's like the pillow. It's like a pillow. And then there's like a blanket part. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. He's like literally, look how big. Look how big he is. Okay, I gotta go clean all this up and pack and everything. So, and edit. So I do have to go. But thank you guys so much. If anyone ever wants to send me anything, my P.O. box will be listed in the description box below. I have an Amazon wish list that's also will be in the description box. And yeah, if you guys did send me something that you didn't see unboxed here and it's like still in my P.O. box, I apologize. I haven't had a chance to go, and it's been like holidays and like Sunday and stuff, so they haven't been open. But I will unbox them when I get back if there is anything. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have the most amazing New Year's ever. If you do want to see more of me, I know I don't use YouTube that much anymore, but I am focusing a lot on my Twitch, so be sure to be following me on my Twitch channel because I've been streaming a lot there, and my streams are only going to get better because I have a new computer, so I'm really hyped for that. Other than that, be sure to be following here, so if I do post new videos, you can see them. Follow me on all my other social medias, they're all in the description box below. Have the most amazing New Year ever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!